Abhyuday. Siblings. Hello guys, my name is Abhyuday Singh.
And I'm Anandita.
Siblings.
Today we are going to City Palace and it's 11:20 right now. We were planning to go from our home at 8:30, but it was really chilly, it was really cold outside. So now we are going at 11:30, but still it's cold outside. See the weather, it's foggy and it's cold. But we'll start our journey from here. We are going to City Palace. Let's go! We're watching the god through binoculars. Next to the City Palace is Jantar Mantar, where we visited last time. This is the ticket counter that is just at the right side of the gate, and here are the tickets and timings too. This one is for Indian people, and that side is for foreigners. And for visiting some private places of the palace, that is the Chandra Mahal, the Royal Splendor, you can take your small video camera without tripod and everything. It is 2500 to 1500 for foreign national, and then for Indian national we have 2000 to 1000 Indian national. This is a buggy ride, a royal buggy ride, and the charges for one person is 500 rupees. Per person ride is 500 rupees, and ride for a family is ride for a family, that means 2 adults, 2 children, is 1000 rupees, and extra member each is rupees 250. This is the Mubarak Mahal, and inside we have a textile gallery inside this Mubarak Mahal, in which we have all the things of all the 11 Maharajas. We were busy with the 2 guides, that was the audio guide and the simple main guide. Audio guide was functional right here in City Palace. You can take it from where you take your tickets, near the ticket counter, where there you can get your tickets. And let me tell you about this place. This is Diwan-e Khas, the place for private audience, where the king used to make discussions with his private audience, his special guests. Silver vessels, these were made by Maharaja Savai Madhav Singh II, as he liked to drink Ganga Jal. So he was once invited to England for 2 months, and from where would he get Ganga Jal in England? So he took out some silver coins, he melted them and made this vessel, and these 2 vessels, and put the Ganga Jal inside these 2 vessels, and they took them by ship and got them by ship from England, and he was with his Ganga Jal all the 2 months. is Pritam Niwas. This was used by the Maharajas to enter his private residence, and inside it has 4 gates that I'm going to show you. These are the 4 gates. So these 4 gates are based on 4 different seasons. This one is for rainy season, as it has peacocks. That's my logic. And that's for summer season, as it has lotus. That one is for winter season. It has rose all carved, painted on its walls, and that one is for spring. So whenever it was monsoon season, the Maharaja would come from this gate. In summer season, he would come from this gate, and from the winter season, he would come from this gate, and in spring season, he would come from this gate. And when you look up, you can see the Chandra Mahal where the royal residents live. It is a 7-story building, and in the first 2 stories lives the royal residents. That are the Maharajas, the princess, and the prince, and the 5 left up floors you can visit, but the charge is 2,000 rupees per person. All the Maharajas, starting from 1615, from Maharaja Bhav Singh, then Maharaja Jai Singh I, Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II, who established Jaipur, Maharaja Savai Isri Singh, Maharaja Savai Jagat Singh, Maharaja Savai Ram Singh II, who was given the title as the modern Maharaja of Jaipur, and he also established the Pink City. And this is Maharaja Savai Madhav Singh II. This is Sabha Niwas, built over 200 years ago. This magnificent hall was the throne room of the palace, designed for ceremonial assemblies involving the ruling Maharaja, his Thakurs or chef nobles, court officials, and visiting dignitaries. Videography and photography was not allowed inside Sabha Niwas, so we could not take our camera and make the video. So now let's talk about eateries here. So we have a restaurant here that is named as Baradari, and a cafe just right here named as the Palace Cafe. These are the rates. And this is the place where you can shop. And you can sit there and watch puppet show also. Now we will be going to Armory. This is the Armory, but videography and photography is also not allowed inside the Armory. They have weapons gallery. But I am going to tell you about this family. This is the present royal family of Jaipur, headed by Her Highness Padmani Devi, her daughter Princess Diya Kumari. She is also a member of Parliament, and her 3 children, which is King Padmanabh Singh, the present king of Jaipur, King Padmanabh Singh, his younger sister Gauravi, and their younger brother Laksharaj Singh. This family is currently residing in Chandra Mahal of City Palace that I showed you from the Pritam Niwas. King of Jaipur, King Padmanabh Singh of the royal family, was adopted by his mother's father, who was Maharaja Savai Bhavani Singh, as Maharaja Savai Bhavani Singh did not have any son of his own. So he had to pass his legacy to someone. So he adopted his daughters, that is Princess Diya Kumari's son Padmanabh Singh, and passed him his his legacy and made him the king of Jaipur. This is a museum shop named as Friends of the Museum. Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II established a system of the 36 karkhanas or workshops for the provision of the royal household and for the promotion of various arts and crafts. Taking cue from the history, the late Maharaja Sawai Bhavani Singh began a revival in 1997 by establishing the Friends of the Museum, which continues to be supported by the royal family. It provides a platform for local artists and craftspersons to showcase their expertise and products across many fields, such as painting, enameling, blue pottery, inlay on wood, lacquer products such as bangles, and paper, jewelry, and other handcrafts. The craftsperson are also awarded with awards. They are also awardees, and some of them are also Padma Shri awardees, honored by Her Highness Rajmata Sahiba of Jaipur.
ये सब शॉप्स हैं.
This was the end of our tour, and if you liked our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing videos of the history, of forts and other things. Keep subscribing to our channel. Bye. One more thing, you can visit 3 places at a time, that is Jantar Mantar, City Palace, Hawa Mahal and Govind Dev Ji Temple.